How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make your voice deeper instantly. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So this is what I did. If you watch previous videos of mine, you got to go really far back, like probably 4 years ago. I started doing this trick. And it works almost instantly. All you have to do to make your voice deeper, and this is proven by studies, is to slow down how fast you are talking. This works for absolutely every single person. When you talk faster, you automatically have a higher pitch as opposed to if you talk slower. So for every single person, if you talk slower, your voice naturally gets deeper instantly. Anyone can do this, literally anyone. You just have to talk a little bit slower. You don't have to talk super slow, just talk a little bit slower. And you're gonna notice, you can literally record yourself if you want to. You can notice the difference in the pitches of the voice just by talking slower. And yeah, literally that's it. It's instantly, it works again instantly. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.